Whenever we go to withdraw money from ATM, we need to be extra cautious about our surroundings and people nearby. Most of our ATMs are well lit, secure, and are located at public areas with plenty of foot traffic to ensure safety and ease of access. However, it is important to protect yourself while withdrawing money from ATM, as the risk of fraud still exists with card skimmers and spy cameras being used regularly. So, it is in your best interest to take preventive measures to safeguard yourself while using ATM. Here are a few tips following which will ensure a smooth and safe experience while withdrawing money from ATM. Stay alert. You need to be extra cautious when you go to ATM. Check for any suspicious activity or person in and around ATM. Make sure nobody is following or spying on you. Also, check for a CCTV camera. Count money inside the ATM or only when you reach to a safer place. Always keep your PIN a secret. Your PIN is the most valuable security measure when you access your account through an ATM. So make sure to keep it private. You should always block the ATM keypads with hands while entering your PIN. Never disclose your PIN to anyone. Also, avoid writing it anywhere. Choose the right location. You must always choose an ATM that is located at a busy street or secure building. Never use ATM in the night, and that too at a deserted place. Avoid using an ATM if you find any suspicious person lurking around. Don't ask strangers for help. While asking for help from a stranger is normal if you get stuck while using an ATM, but never ever share your PIN with the person or get them to transact on your behalf. Also, avoid counting money in front of others. Asking help from strangers at ATM should be the last resort. Ask your bank for assistance. In some instances, money might get debited from your account, but you may not receive it, or you may not be able to access your account at all, or your card may get pulled into the machine. In such circumstances, dial your bank's toll-free assistance number and ask for help. So next time, whenever you go to withdraw money from ATM, do keep these tips in your mind. We hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.